What is your name?
Sir, my name is Harshit Joshi.
Where are you from?
Sir, I am from Rishikesh, Uttarakhand.
Please introduce yourself.
Respected sir, it is an honor to appear before you today. Before I start, I would thank you all for giving me this opportunity. My name is Harshit Joshi. I am from Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. I am in class 7th. I am of 12 years and I read at Bansi Vidyaniketan School, Faridabad, Haryana. Last year I qualified for All India Sainik School and my marks were 276 out of 300. And I got Sainik School Godakal, but I left it because I wanted to prepare for RMC. My hobby is playing volleyball and watching movies. And I am working very hard to become an army officer.
Okay, Harshit, you say that your hobby is playing volleyball.
Yes, sir.
How many players are playing in volleyball?
Sir, 6.
What is the dimension of volleyball court?
So the length is 18 meters and breadth is 9 meters.
Volleyball is indoor game or outdoor game?
Volleyball is outdoor game.
Outdoor game. Okay, sir, you can.
Harshit, please tell me what is the difference between Rashtriya Military School and Rashtriya Indian Military College?
Sir, in RMS student study 6th to 12th and it mainly prepare for defense services, and RMC admits student in class 7th and prepare student mainly for NDA.
What is the motto of Rashtriya Military School?
So the motto of Rashtriya Military School is, I don't know the motto of Rashtriya Military School.
What is the motto of RMC?
So the motto of RMC is Bal Vivek.
Okay. Harshit, what makes you different than other cadets?
Sir, I believe that I should be selected because I am disciplined, hardworking and deeply motivated to serve the nation. Since childhood, I have admired the courage and confidence of the soldiers to our country, and I believe that RMC will shape my personality and maintain discipline better in me.
Okay. Where do you see yourself after 10 years?
Sir, I have to see myself after 10 years in post of officers.
Okay. So, what is your favorite rank in Indian Army?
Sir, my favorite rank in Indian Army is General.
Okay. Harshit, suppose if you become the Prime Minister of India
Yes, sir.
for 1 year, then what are the 5 things which you would like to change in our country?
Sir, firstly, I improve the education in our country and maintain daily life things in that places which I have not, and maintain the army strong in our country, and also our political party make one of the other country of the world.
Okay.
Okay, what is the motto of Indian Army?
The motto of Indian Army is service before self.
Okay. When was celebrated Indian Army Day?
So the Indian Army Day was celebrated in 15 January.
Okay. Why Indian Army Day is celebrated in 15 January?
Sir, Indian Army Day is celebrated on 15 January because Captain Commander-in-Chief SJM KM Karippa honor the post of Commander-in-Chief on this day. So we celebrate.
Okay, when was celebrated Indian Air Force Day?
Sir, we celebrate Indian Air Force Day on 8 October.
Okay, where is located the Northern Command of Indian Army?
So the Northern Command of Indian Army is located in Udhampur.
What is the equivalent rank of Lieutenant of Indian Army into Indian Air Force?
Sir, in Air Force, Flying Officer.
Into Indian Navy?
Into Indian Navy, Sub-Lieutenant.
When was formed RIMC?
Sir, RMC was formed in year 1922.
What is the full form of RIMC?
Sir, the full form of RMC is Rashtriya Indian Military College.
What is the children helpline number?
The children helpline number is 1098.
Okay, Harshit, you are from Uttarakhand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the old name of Uttarakhand?
So the old name of Uttarakhand is Uttaranchal.
When was Uttarakhand formed?
The Uttarakhand was formed on 9 November year 2000.
Okay, who is the present governor of Uttarakhand?
The present governor of Uttarakhand is Lieutenant Colonel Gurmeet Singh.
Okay, who is the present Home Minister of India?
The present Home Minister of India is Amit Shah.
Who is the present Defence Minister of India?
The present Defence Minister of India is Rajnath Singh.
Who is the present Chief Minister of Uttarakhand?
The present Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Pushkar Singh Dhami.
Okay, sir, you can.
Okay, Harshit, what is the square of 17?
So the square of 17 is 289.
Okay, and what is the cube of 8?
The cube of 8 is 512.
Okay. And what is the difference between cube and cuboid?
Sir, the cube all sides are equal and cuboid all sides are not equal. and that is the difference.
Okay. What is the basic rule of time, speed, and distance?
So the basic rule of time, speed and distance is that distance is equal to speed into time.
Okay. And what is the basic rule of probability?
So the basic rule of probability is that probability is equal to variable outcome upon total outcome.
Okay. And what is the spelling of meter?
This-
Measurement of length?
In measurement,
No. In measurement of length, what is the spelling of meter?
sir, METRE.
Okay, METRE. And if we want to change centimeter cubic to liter,
Yes, sir.
then we can find how?
Sir, we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube.
Okay, and if we want to change or convert meter cubic to liter, then 1 meter cubic is equal to how much liter?
Sir, we know that 1 meter cubic equal to 1000 liter.
Okay, good. Okay, Harshit, you can go now.
Thank you, sir.